Hi guys, if you want to see how I got this beachy, dewy, cutie look, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, so you can see more videos. First, we're going to start out with the Benefits Professional. I love this, love this. I love it just as much as I love the Primed and Poreless by Too Faced. So, we're just going to already moisturize my skin. After I wash it, I moisturize it. I hope you guys like my hair. It's 7/8 hair, so let's do this shit. I done had this hair for, I think, since December. For sure, since December. So I'm just gonna put that in there like that. Or whatever. Hold on. I'll be back. I gotta text my boyfriend what I want to eat. Next, we're gonna use the Amazonian Clay by Her. I absolutely adore this. I'm surprised I'm not out of it yet, but I just bought it, so it should be out soon. So we're just gonna dab that on the face how we did the primer or whatever. I like full coverage, but I don't really use it a lot. Like some people be going over their face with 2-3 coats. No ma'am, that's too much. I just need one coat, and then the concealer and the contour gonna do the rest, you know. So I'm just gonna buff that out with a fluffy whatever the fuck, flat brush, fluffy flat brush. Make sure you go down your neck because you don't want to have a mask on. You don't want to like Jim Carrey. Oh girl, no. Anyways, we're gonna go in with this Pro Concealer by LA Girl. I got it for the beauty supply store for $3.99, and we're just gonna. This is a like y'all know I like the light highlight, but we're just gonna use a little bit darker. It blends in really well, so it's gonna be closer to the color of my skin because it's gonna be a natural look. Then we're just gonna take the beauty blender and blend that concealer we put down. It's kind of wet. Not my beauty blender, but yeah, my beauty blender. Fuck that. It's wet. Okay. Let me do other. Y'all see my big ass forehead. And this look is about to be lit, girl. I'm about to look like I'm going to a day party. Ooh, come on, strands. I'm about to be moving my bang all around because y'all get the picture. So I'm just looking in the mirror in front of me so I can get it nice and blendy. I'm also going to be looking at another mirror if I can find one. So now that we got this all set in place, we're gonna set it with the Laura Mercier, my favorite. I only got 2 setting powders. This is the only kind I buy now because it's never let me down, ever. It'll never let you down. It can be your best friend. On that forehead where we put that concealer at, but we're gonna brush that off so we can. I'm not doing the eyebrows today because they're not gonna be showing, and there's no point of wasting space. So then we're just gonna brush that setting powder off with the same brush to make sure we get all the setting powder on there. So next is my favorite part before we start contour and highlight, we're gonna be using bronze. So I got the Anastasia Anastasia Glow Kit. I got the Too Faced Soleil Chocolate Soleil, if I can get it open. Okay, I got the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I got the Anastasia Glow Kit. I got the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish because this is my newfound love. I'm like in love. So we're gonna use all three, and we're gonna go into these two shades. And then I'm just gonna smile so I can find my cheeks. And it's gonna be really dewy, so we're just gonna go crazy. Maybe I should just swirl it. Ooh, that's better. That's way better. So I'm just gonna go like that. I put a big, like when you put the highlighter on first, it don't matter how much you put on because you're just gonna clean it up. Then we're gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and we're gonna go on top of that. I'm gonna do something different for my nose. I'm gonna use a different brush, but I'm not done with this one, so. Ooh, girl. Oh, I forgot to do the rest of my face. So I want to go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish for that. And for my nose, I'm just going to go in with that and you're just going to dab it so it'll be really pigmented and it'll show up. Okay. Can you see? It's gonna be a lot, but don't worry. Mommy gonna clean it up. It tastes good too. Ooh. Next we're gonna contour, and we're gonna be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light. I haven't used this palette in a long time, so let's see what it's hitting like. So we're just gonna go onto the cheek and up the side of the. I'm just going. It was hitting pretty good, you know. I haven't used it in a while. I got this from TJ Maxx, and we just been best friends since, or whatever. Then we're gonna go along the jawline, and we're gonna shape this chin up because what the fuck. Make it look like he got a little cute chin. Next, we're going to come in with the blush, and I have only a few blushes, but this is my favorite. Plus, it got the orange and the brown I'm looking for, so we're just gonna swirl in both of those, and we're just gonna go where we put that. So we're gonna get it out of there. So because we want it like orangey, bronzy, sexy, you know. So we're just gonna swirl that. And I'm using a giant fluffy brush or whatever by Jaclyn Hill, from the Jaclyn Hill collection, Face Master. And we're just gonna pop that right there. So next I want this highlight to be like out there. So I'm just gonna go in with this Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna go on my nose again. And I'm gonna go right here. And I'm gonna go in the corners of my eyes. I hope it don't start watering. Oh, matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do? What I never do? I'm gonna take this little brush and I'm gonna go on my chin, just to give it like a little, like just a little dab. You don't want a big Jay Leno chin. Who remembers Jay Leno? I'm gonna use the Anastasia Contour Kit, the powder. I'm gonna dip into this dark color, and we're just gonna go down the sides of our nose, like a little thin line right there. And I'm gonna also bring that color onto my eyelid. I meant my crease or whatever. Inner crease, outer crease, it's a crease. And then we're gonna go and do the next side. So we want a nice skinny little carved out nose. How is that looking to you? How is that looking to you? Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna go under and just shape our nose. So when I get done, you know, caking everything going and being a slave to makeup, I'm gonna use these two. This is my favorite. These make you sparkle and shine like Terra Bank. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray that Dewy set by Anastasia. Don't even let it dry before you spray the next one, because you know they a team, they couple. Boot up. We're gonna spray that. Let it simmer. And we're gonna go in with that color and come on the cheeks. How is I'm looking right now? Like Beyonce, girl? Yes, bitch. Okay. I am looking like real dewy. I'm looking like B right now. Next I'm gonna go in with this little doodad. I love that word, doodad. And we're gonna we're gonna overline our lips, but we're also going to line our lips at the same time. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia lip palette, and I'm gonna go in with let's see, I need a brown, so let's see how this turn out. So I'm just gonna go in the lip area, and we're just gonna go under it a little bit, just so it give it a little depth right there. Just a little. This color don't look like it's brown. It looks like red. Maybe because I mixed it with red, but hopefully I might have to go over it with matter of fact, I'm not even about to do this to myself. Yes, I am. Let's see how it turns out, guys. I don't know why I'm using this brush, and I got a lip brush. I'm fucking retarded. This was wrong. I like to overline my lip a little because my top lip fucking sucks. You hear me? So then we're gonna go, look, next color we're gonna use this, this like peachy color, because we're gonna go to the beach today. Even though it's snow outside, it's still gonna go to the beach. And you're gonna hot that on there, onto there. Let's go to the beach, guys. We're gonna do the same for the top. Let's see how it turns out, girl. Okay. Oh, bitch. I'm looking like Lil' Kim in the 90s right now. Oh, girl, yes. I like it nice and matte, so I'm not gonna put any lip gloss on. Put that mascara on there right now, like so. Oh, I'm not gonna use a whole bunch because I don't want it cakey when I go to the imaginary beach that I'm about to go to. Apply. If it don't apply, really. Thinking like, should I put my mole or should I just go like this, because I'm looking sexy right now. Like, this like natural beat slash beachy slash sexy or whatever. Okay, Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little dewy misty tutorial or whatever. I know you guys like to talk throughs because I like to talk throughs. So if you want to see more of the talk throughs, if you want more story times, you want more voiceovers, let me know. If you want me to do a challenge, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. That's really important to me. If you love me, then do that. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.